Let us begin with the different design approach when building an AI system. Let us see the AI system design spectrum. There are really three mindsets you can use to build an AI system. Number one is code driven. Then you have LLM driven. And then the third one is agentic. First of all, they are not enemies. They are points on an spectrum. So the trick is knowing when to use each. When autonomous characteristics is concerned, we can say that code driven is no or less autonomous. LLM based approach is semi autonomous and agentic approach is fully autonomous. Let us talk about the code driven approach. This is the world we already knew, where you have deterministic automations, if else conditions, explicit API calls. It is rule driven, set of cron jobs. It provides you the precision and repeatability, and then a kind of a airflow DAGs or the lambda functions. The big win here is the precision and repeatability. You know exactly what happens. So it is perfect for well understood flows where you have to validate inputs, transform data, call service A, then service B, handle two known errors, etc., and then you are done. The downside shows up when inputs are fuzzy or requirements keep changing. If a user asks the same thing in 5 different ways, your rules balloon. When a new edge case appears, you are back in the code, adding branches. So the code driven is amazing for stable Rails, but it is brittle for messy language and evolving paths. Now, then when to use code driven approach? So if the inputs are structured, the path is known, and you need hard guarantees, things like ETL jobs or fixed approval flows or 90 reports. So such tasks where the path is defined, then you can go ahead with this code driven approach. No need to make a complex solution or complicate your solution with the agentic approach. Let us talk about the LLM driven approach. So it's like this: just give the model a prompt and let it reply. So this is fantastic for language understanding and generation. For example, if you are building the summarization use case or use case to rewrite something or basic question answer, this is a best solution or the best approach. It is also fast to prototype, so you can ship something useful in a day. The catch here is no guarantees. Like it can hallucinate, it can change its mind between the runs, and it struggles with multi-step control. If you need to call APIs in sequence, enforce approvals, or be auditable, then plain LLM chat starts to wobble. So then when to use? So if you want language help, for example, summarization, rewriting, question answer, and a human will eyeball the result, then you can go ahead with this approach and build your solution using LLM driven approach. Now, finally, the agentic approach. Agentic is the middle path. We keep the LLM for what it is great at, like planning and deciding, because it is great at understanding the human language, taking decisions, understanding kind of or doing some reasoning to decide the path. And then we make tools to do the real work. We also add state, so it remembers the facts across steps. Then we also implement the guardrails, so the policy lives in the code. We implement hands-off, so the specialists handle the focused task, and evaluation, so we can test behavior like normal software. So the LLM says what would happen next, but the tools, your functions and the API actually do it. That is how you get the fluency plus control.
This video is part of my course Mastering AI Agent using OpenAI Agent SDK, the course which I have published on Udemy. The link of that course is available in the description. So if you are interested, please follow the link and get your certification done.